Hi, I'm George Salter. I am the General Manager of Keystone Automatic Technology.
How do you feel about Keystone being located in such a small town?
The thing about Cameron County is such a small community that it's in the middle of the mountains. It's a great area to raise your children at, and there's a lot of manufacturing opportunities that are here in Cameron.
My name is Heather Rowan. I work at Keystone Automatic Technologies.
Do you have a sense of importance here?
It does, yes, absolutely. I talk to people daily, so I like to interact with people. I am shipping and receiving. I ship all our products out the door, but basically ship them. How are you guys doing, liking it?
These parts here, they're to be nice and straight. Like this is a nice straight part, and that's how we want to ship them to the customer. And when they come back from an outside service, because we get them plated, sometimes they come back and they're crooked.
Quality management representative for Keystone Automatic to make sure we have quality parts going out the door, and if we have issues, if parts do get out the door and we have issues, whether it be plating or dimensional, I will take care of it.
Part of a slide for one of the KET machines, the wire form machines out front, and I have it all roughed in. It's all heat treated and hardened, okay? But all the sizes are oversized on it, so we got to grind everything down to size. Clean it up.
Clamp slides for a KT machine. What holds your part? Set a set of jaws in here, and that holds the part, so you can head it or whatever you want to do with it. And